I enjoy going into the water 12 months of the year. This time I really notice the sunshine. It's like gold shining on this waterfall. But I also feel the gold. What does gold mean to me, I think? What I've found is, since gold was discovered, it's had a magnetic pull on us, one that goes far beyond money. I've been questioning gold recently, especially after my mother's death. As a child, I always wished for a gold star on my piece of paper for my homework. It wasn't because I could take it to the pawn shop and get cash for it. It's because I liked the cheap sticker because it represented achievement, worthiness and approval. I've always wanted my mother's or my grandmother's sort of favourite ring again, not for the money value. But the gold gives a special place in my heart. It's a spiritual meaning of appreciation, nostalgia, loyalty and love. Then I think back to the Olympics. You go for gold because of the market value of the metal. No. They spend their whole lives training to win because of the prize it stands for. Blood, sweat and tears, spirit, will, intention, sacrifice that come together in the moment of human greatness. When spiritual and emotional meaning are connected to a piece of gold or other treasure, its worth is on a level above price tags. It's all about the spiritual meaning. Then I think, I don't have to go on an epic quest to earn someone's approval, inherit a family heirloom, thank God, learn to jump a high jump, or have an overflowing bank account in order to claim the world's most precious treasure. Gold, platinum, diamonds, sapphires, the Holy Grail. None of these hold a candle to your soul's gold and gems and jewels that you already carry inside you. I know life can be a struggle. Health problems are on the rise, and a great loss or hardship occurs in every single one of us. I understand that you might have suffered and you have your own story. I'm very lucky that the 3 pillars of the Wim Hof method has allowed me to heal and move forward. I've moved beyond my limiting beliefs. Compassion I've gained from being vulnerable. That wisdom that came from watching life at a distance as I felt I didn't belong in my family. That faith that had been the answer, that supreme patience of putting one's foot in front of the other. These are my tools and gems to use for the rest of my life. So when that sadness, sorrows, struggles, hardships visit me, for I do have the greatest tools and treasures to make them light. To be touched with the world's suffering is not easy. Just like a bag of diamonds and gold, they can weigh you down. Which is why I realize the importance of being spiritual. The significance of my challenges. Because when you attach spiritual meaning to your treasures, it makes them light, as light itself. So I take nature and the balance in my body, going back to a harmony state, is that I do belong. Even the breath I take, my lungs look like the trees. The trees give oxygen, I take oxygen. I give CO2, the trees take CO2. We are nature. And nature's helped me bring it back and belong. And the treasures, I realize, and the gold, my soul's gold, is not only in me, but it's mirrored out in the world and nature. This is why I do this.